fought me and why we like it. Right? Is that right? And anyway, I used to row, and I thought this was kind of a wimpy sport. It is not. It's one of the better sports I've ever come across. And everybody's socially, really, well, you can tell by this gathering, it is a wonderful, wonderful sport. So I encourage anybody out there to try it, because it's not only good healthy-wise, but to be able to meet such wonderful people is great.
It's great.
Well, we practice twice a week, and that's an interesting question, because this team, the best team, has two of the best coaches in the world, my friends. And they give us exercises for half an hour before, and then after, when you're all pooped out, they give you another half an hour to stretch. And that's what most of us don't do it enough, including me, is stretching. So half an hour, that's what they say about this sport. Half an hour of half an hour of strength, and half of it is due to strength, and half of it is due to technique. Bullet belly.
And I need a bra. These muscles are getting so big.
How old are you?
78.
I'm 80.
He's even older.
Don't I look it? I'm 82. Well, my mother's 104, so, but she's not paddling yet.
You come from Vancouver? Are you?
Oh yeah, from Vancouver. Smart enough to have left Winnipeg 100 years ago. So it's a great part of the world right here. Well, I appreciate you talking to us.
Yeah.
The medal.
Gold.
Not gold. We
Thanks.
only got second place.
We have lane one, going down the course. Our warm up, a nice long warm up. We're going down. We're going to get into that lane we like on that right side. Line it up. All the boats are coming in there. We'll take a deep breath there. Right. Run slide to the line. Run the line. And it's go. And it's 1, 2, strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, and drive. My husband's retired. I don't want to retire yet. So the other day having another all day long. We have one race.
Hả? 这么多人上台啊！终点在排，那个起点。
宝宝看人家怎么上船的，怎么上，大家一起。
Ready?
人家说你说的什么呀？听不懂。对，看看他们怎么上传，看他们怎么上传，怎么下传，这个还是有点技巧。
利用风向，那我们说翻版可能会算。
还挺多啊。
Found the whole done.
Wow.
Abby Normals from Florida.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Your name?
Chris from Florida.
Florida.
Yes. I think we're the only team here. We're the only team in Florida? We're the only team here in Florida. Only team, one team. Number one team. It's really fun. I think it's the second largest in the world. Having a good time, meeting some good people, paddling with some great friends. A lot of fun. Having a good time. We got to win. Want to win too at the same time.
Good luck.
Thank you.
50-50, so they're raffle tickets, really.
Oh, there's like a
Beer pong?
Beer pong, right? Are you
Not quite.
What happens to the balls after?
We reuse them next year.
Oh, I thought you were gonna give it away.
No, not quite.
Oh, I thought you were gonna play it.
Yeah. So maybe buy a ticket then. To support the youth programs, underprivileged children. Come on, FNF! Oh, go! Dick! Oh, come on! Oh, FNF! Oh, Hey!